All right, Kingsville, good afternoon. Happy Friday the 13th. Kind of crazy. In October, it's kind of a scary thing. We have lots of good things happening here in the fitness center. Just came to you from our brand new entrance. If you all remember, this used to be a double door with a lock on the inside. Now it's a nice big wide hallway. It's going to be a beautiful grand entrance into our new fitness center. We have a lot of things moving and shaking on the inside. I'm going to take you through a quick little tour, show you what's gone on the past 2 weeks. Come on through. All right, team is loaded up. Lots of electrical coming in next. Got the power boxes, all kinds of electrical wires coming on through. They're going to start running that here in the next couple weeks. If you notice, we saw the temporary lights up, but those are coming up. Over here in the locker or in the kids' room, a whole bunch of new HVAC coming in throughout the property. Looks great. Let's go take a look at our back windows we highlighted last time. So all the framing is done for the new windows. Those are set to arrive here next. And then also, if you come on up a little bit closer, you notice we cleared out the landscape in front of the window. So it's going to be a nice, big, gorgeous view to the outside world. The vegetation here had gotten a little overgrown, and now it's opened up. Really came out nicely. The new entrance to the yoga studio, new doors, all cut out and ready to go. And then outside, we're going to build a platform for outdoor yoga and outdoor classes. Looks pretty cool. You'll see they started cutting more concrete. This is to run the power for the electrical for all the new machines coming in. Once again, all new machines coming into the building, all new equipment. Nothing coming over from the old fitness center. So they've done a lot of work here the past 2 weeks. Looks pretty dang good. Take a peek in the locker room. All the plumbing is now done. New layer of concrete comes next. Framing's done. And then they start the electrical work. Let's go take a look at the pool. Construction area, hard hats required. This pool looks awesome. So all the scaffolding is down, all the paint is done, all the woodwork repair is done, new ceiling is all done. They have chipped out all the old tile and plaster from the old pool. New pool mechanicals have started install this week. They're going to clean up the rest of this plaster and tile, and then re-plaster and re-tile goes in as well. Main pool done right now, hot tub comes in next. This area also got new doors. Can't really see them with the tape that's over the windows, but we got new doors to the exterior, which came out really great. All right, so we're going to start hard hat tours next Saturday. They're going to be RSVP through the website. Myself and Pelham, our director of membership, are going to take 10 people at a time. It's a standing tour. Wednesdays at 4:30, Saturdays at 10. Get on the member website and sign up if you want to RSVP. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you 2 more weeks with more updates. Thanks, Kingsville.